She stands in a quiet room where memories drift like dust and bloom. Old letters falling from their place, soft echoes rising through the space. A story she thought had reached its end returns again like an unseen friend. Truth calls through shadows on the floor, revealing what was left before. When the past speaks, the heart begins to hear every hidden moment once held in fear. Light breaks through the silence, tender and clear, showing what was carried year after year. When the past speaks, the soul begins to see what was meant to heal, what was meant to set her free. Behind her eyes a world unfolds, forgotten truths and tales untold. Some memories sting, some softly shine, each one a step toward redesign. She breathes the weight she used to bear, then lets it go into the air. What rises now is calm and new, a path revealed in honest truth. When the past speaks, the heart begins to hear every hidden moment once held in fear. Light breaks through the silence, tender and clear, showing what was carried year after year. When the past speaks, the soul begins to see what was meant to heal, what was meant to set her free. A quiet dawn begins to start as she makes peace with her